Do you love talking about food? Today, let's practice 50 short food dialogues in English. These easy conversations will help you speak fluently and confidently in daily life. Let's begin with our first dialogue. Ready-made food dialogues. Anil and Barney. Anil: I like pizza. What about you? Barney: I love pizza too. Anil: Do you eat breakfast every day? Barney: Yes, I never skip it. Anil: What's your favorite fruit? Barney: Mango. Yours? Anil: I drink tea in the morning. Do you? Barney: No, I prefer coffee. Anil: Do you like spicy food? Barney: Yes, very much. Anil: I had rice for lunch. What did you eat? Barney: I ate chapati and dal. Anil: Do you like chocolate? Barney: Who doesn't? I love it. Anil: What's your favorite vegetable? Barney: Potato. Anil: I don't like fast food. Do you? Barney: Sometimes, yes. Anil: I like ice cream. Do you? Barney: Yes, but only in summer. Anil: What's your favorite drink? Barney: Fresh juice. Anil: Do you cook at home? Barney: Yes, I love cooking. Anil: I eat eggs for breakfast. What about you? Barney: I eat paratha. Anil: Do you like sweets? Barney: Yes, gulab jamun is my favorite. Anil: What's your favorite snack? Barney: Samosa. Anil: I don't like bitter gourd. Do you? Barney: No, me neither. Anil: Do you like milk? Barney: Yes, I drink it every night. Anil: What's your favorite dessert? Barney: Ice cream cake. Anil: Do you eat salad? Barney: Yes, with every meal. Anil: I eat too much chocolate. Is it bad? Barney: Yes, but it's tasty. Anil: Do you like street food? Barney: Yes, pani puri is the best. Anil: What's your favorite breakfast? Barney: Poha. Anil: I eat fruits daily. Do you? Barney: Yes, I try to. Anil: Do you like butter on bread? Barney: Yes, very tasty. Anil: I don't eat meat. Do you? Barney: No, I am vegetarian too. Anil: What do you eat for dinner? Barney: Roti, dal, and sabzi. Anil: Do you like noodles? Barney: Yes, especially chow mein. Anil: What's your favorite soup? Barney: Tomato soup. Anil: I don't drink cold drinks. Do you? Barney: Only sometimes. Anil: Do you like fruits more or vegetables more? Barney: Fruits. Anil: Do you like biscuits with tea? Barney: Yes, it's a good combo. Anil: What's your favorite festival sweet? Barney: Jalebi. Anil: Do you like South Indian food? Barney: Yes, dosa is my favorite. Anil: I like French fries. Do you? Barney: Yes, with ketchup. Anil: Do you eat dry fruits? Barney: Yes, almonds and cashews. Anil: What's your favorite curry? Barney: Peanut butter masala. Anil: Do you like sandwiches? Barney: Yes, they are quick and tasty. Anil: I don't like oily food. Do you? Barney: No, I prefer healthy food. Anil: Do you eat popcorn at the cinema? Barney: Always. Anil: What's your favorite festival food? Barney: Laddu on Diwali. Anil: Do you like lassi? Barney: Yes, sweet lassi. Anil: I love cold coffee. Do you? Barney: Yes, it's refreshing. Anil: What's your favorite cake? Barney: Chocolate cake. Anil: Do you eat fish? Barney: No, I don't. Anil: What's your favorite drink in summer? Barney: Lemonade. Anil: Do you like pickles? Barney: Yes, mango pickle. Anil: What do you eat when you are hungry at night? Barney: Biscuits or fruits. Anil: Do you like cheese? Barney: Yes, on pizza. Anil: What's your favorite festival food in Holi? Barney, Gajia, Anil. Do you like hot soup in winter? Barney, yes, it keeps me warm. Yummy. That was fun learning 50 short food dialogues in English. Keep practicing these sentences every day, and soon you'll speak English with confidence. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy English learning videos. And tell us in the comments, what's your favorite food in English? See you in the next video.